In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make this viral Earth zoom-in effect completely for free. The first step of this effect is to open up your clip in DaVinci or in any software of choice. Make sure you are in the first frame and open it in the color page. Open Gallery and then right-click on the preview window. Choose Grab Still. Right-click on the still and choose Export. Change the file name and choose JPG as the format. After that, open your browser and type in Higgsfield.ai. Scroll down to Earth Zoom Out and click Generate. Now, upload your still of the first frame. You can type in a similar prompt or leave it empty. Both will work fine. After that, hit Generate. It will take a few minutes for it to generate, but after it's ready, you can download the file. Import the clip to DaVinci. Move it in front of the original clip and right-click on it. Choose Change Clip Speed. Click on Reverse Speed. That's basically it.